Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So today we'll be talking about how you can explore ChatGPT with different prompts and all sort of things. Now, the first thing I would say is that we must explore different GPTs rather than exploring prompts. So what we will have to do is we have to go to explore GPTs and search on prompts. Now, we will see a lot of different prompts for different things. For example, Promptify, Photo Prompt, the GPT Oracle, Midjourney. All of these prompts, engineered based in trained models, can easily allow us to explore GPT. Now, the other thing is that we must ask GPT for prompt itself because it must know what's best or what's wrong. So you must type a prompt like give me prompts for this, give me prompt for that, and you will be good to go. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.